Essay writing on Republic Day. Introduction. Republic Day is a national festival of India. This festival is celebrated every year on 26th January. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India was implemented by the Government of India. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constitution Assembly to become an independent republic and establish the rule of law in the country. Parades and cultural programs are organized all over India on the occasion of Republic Day. This day has also been declared a national holiday all over India. History. In December 1929, the Indian National Congress session was held in Lahore under the chairmanship of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. By passing a resolution in this convention, it was announced that if the British government did not grant India the state of dominion by 26 January 1930, then India would declare itself completely independent. The British government did nothing till 26 January 1930. Then the Congress declared the complete independence of India on that day and started its active movement. After attaining independence, the Constitution Assembly was announced, in which there were a total of 22 committees. The drafting committees was the most prominent and important in this. Its work was to write the Constitution. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc. were prominent members of the drafting committee. It took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to make the Constitution. On 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was handed over to the President of the Constitution Assembly. Since then, this day is celebrated every year as Constitution Day. Some changes were made in this, and after a meeting of 114 days on 26 January 1950, the Constitution was implemented all over India. Programs. The national anthem is sung after flag hoisting in government, non-government and educational institution of Republic Day. On this day, programs related to patriotism competitions are also organized. Remembering the brave soldiers, the whole atmosphere resonates with the announcement of Bande Mataram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Jai Hind. A special event is organized in Delhi, the capital of India. On this day, the flag is hoisted by the President of the country. After this, the national anthem Jan Gan Man is sung standing collectively. A grand parade is organized from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan to mark the importance of this occasion. Various regiments of the Indian Army participated in this grand parade. Starting the parade, the Prime Minister offers a wreath at the Amar Jawan Jyoti and observes a 2-minute silence. The display of different states in the parade depicts their folklore, visual arts and specialties of the people there. Each exhibition showcases the diversity and cultural richness of India. Conclusion. Republic Day is a proud day for India. Republic Day has great importance in Indian history as it tells about each and every struggle related to Indian independence. It makes India a sovereign, secular, socialized, and democratic republic. This festival inspires us to maintain the unity of the country. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.